Your music fades, your focus shatters, another pair of earbuds defeated by a single drop of sweat. What if you never had to experience that frustration again? We went on a mission testing the toughest, loudest, and most secure earbuds on the planet to find the absolute elite. The results were shocking, and the #1 pick, it redefines everything. What we found will change your workout forever. Starting at number 1. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds, truly wireless. The best earbuds for working out and running we've tested are the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds, truly wireless. The Bose sport a very comfortable and stable fit thanks to their wide selection of included stabilizers and ear tips. Their sturdy build and IPX4 rating mean they'll be fine if you splash them with water when rehydrating. And their 7 hours of continuous battery life is enough to get you through 1, 2, or 3 marathons, depending on your pace. These buds have a slightly bass-heavy sound out of the box, making them versatile enough for most audio content, though they lean toward EDM and rock. Their outstanding noise isolation easily blocks out the sounds of car traffic with ease, and you can switch them to aware mode if you'd like to hear more of your environment while running. Bose have also refreshed the product with the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds, 2nd Gen. The performance is mostly the same across the board, with some improvements to their microphone noise handling. That said, the 1st generation are still available and less expensive, making them the more worthwhile pickup in this case. Number 2. Sony WF-1000XM5 Truly Wireless. In the upper mid-range, the best Bluetooth earbuds for running we've tested are the Sony WF-1000XM5 Truly Wireless. Unlike the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds Truly Wireless, these well-built buds don't have stability fins. Instead, they protrude less when worn and have high-quality foam ear tips that sit fairly far in your ear canals for stability. That might give you a similar level of peace of mind when on the move, but the fit can cause some discomfort if you don't like pressure on your inner ear. Their warm sound profile is similar to that of the Bose, so they'll easily tackle most genres with a slight affinity toward bassy genres like EDM. You can also use their graphic EQ and presets in their companion app to customize their sound to taste. They also have an active noise-canceling ANC system that competes with the Bose's. Both offer top-of-the-line attenuation, so you can do some endurance training without being distracted by other gym-goers' conversations. While the Bose offer a more comfortable fit, the Sony have a notably longer 8.75-hour battery life, which can be a selling point if you plan on going on longer-duration outings like a full-day hike. If your outdoor adventures require a more stable fit and bolstered resistance to the elements, consider the Sennheiser Momentum Sport. Their smaller form factor and grippy stabilizers, coupled with an IP55 rating against dust and additional water exposure, make them solid for hikes in the pouring rain or on dusty trails. That said, they have a pretty short 5.5-hour battery life. Number 3. Technics EAH-AZ80. In the mid-range, the best wireless earbuds for running we've tested are the Technics EAH-AZ80. While they're also missing stabilizer fins, they come with 7 pairs of ear tips to choose from. Once you've found tips that work for you, the earbuds fit proves just as stable and comfortable as the Sony WF-1000XM5 Truly Wireless. They also opt for a less intrusive fit than our previous pick, which can be a benefit if your ear canals are particularly sensitive. The earbuds have an IPX4 rating, so they'll be fine even if you plan to go for a jog in the rain. In terms of sound, the Technics are vaguely similar to the Sony, sporting a warm default sound profile that's well suited to most genres. If you prefer to go for an excited sound to match your workout, you can easily tweak their sound signature with the app's graphic EQ and presets. While their ANC falls just a tad short of the previous picks on the list, the Technics will still handily isolate you from the outside world while you find your inner peace on an early morning jog in the park. Their app also offers extensive control of the ANC system's strength, so you can find the perfect balance of attenuation and awareness if you plan on running on a more crowded trail. If an IPX4 rating isn't cutting it for you or you're looking for more peace of mind, consider the Nothing Ear. While they're less stable than the Technics, the Nothing have an IP55 rating against dust and more extensive water exposure. They also have a slightly longer 7.5-hour battery life than the Technics, though their ANC is notably less effective. Number 4. Beats Flex Wireless. If you're on a budget, the best earbuds for working out we've tested are the Beats Flex Wireless. Although they don't have ear hooks like the Skullcandy Push Active True Wireless and aren't as stable in ear, they have a neck cable design, so you can wear them around your neck when they're not in use. These comfortable buds have a bass-heavy sound, too, which can help keep you pumped up while running. Although they don't have noise canceling, they can still block out a decent amount of ambient sound, like the chit-chat of other gym-goers. They also last 11 hours continuously, which is longer than other picks on this list, and come in various colors to match your style. They have a W1 chip, so you can seamlessly switch to other devices in your Apple ecosystem. If connectivity with Apple devices isn't important or you want a tangle-proof option, the JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless are also worth considering. They have a solid, but shorter 8.3-hour battery life, and they're IP54 rated. That said, they're less comfortable and stable than the Beats. Number 5. Anker Soundcore P25i. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank, the Anker Soundcore P25i are the best wireless earbuds for running at a cheap price. They have a sturdy design and come in a few colors to suit your style. Unlike the Beats Flex Wireless, they're rated IPX5 for resistance to water exposure. Even though they don't have stability fins, once you get a good fit with the included ear tips, they're stable enough to stay in place during runs. Their 9-hour battery life will last through several workouts without a recharge, though it isn't as long as the Beats. Fortunately, the carrying case stores 2 extra charges for some extra juice in a pinch. These earbuds stand out from other cheap options because they've got an app with multiple EQ presets and button mapping functionality. Using the default EQ preset, they have a bass-rich sound that adds rumble, punch, and boom to your audio without overwhelming instruments and lead vocals. Earbuds at this price point often come with trade-offs, and the Anker aren't an exception. They don't have ANC, so they won't do a great job of blocking out noise, especially in the bass range, meaning you'll hear the thump of running shoes on neighboring treadmills. And there you have it, the 5 warriors that survived our ultimate gym beatdown. No more guesswork, no more failed gear. Your perfect workout soundtrack is waiting if you're ready to upgrade. All the links to buy these champion earbuds are in the description below. If this review saved you time and money, please hit that like button. It truly helps the channel. Share this with your workout buddy who's always dealing with crappy earbuds, and subscribe for more no-nonsense gear reviews. We have a massive smartwatch comparison dropping next that you won't want to miss. Now go get that workout in.